Population is increasing. In fact, it has increased many-fold, and that is why now no longer it is population increase, it is population explosion. Now, what is happening due to this? More people, more land requirement, more agricultural land requirement, more industries, and so from where is the land going to come? The earth was covered by dense forests long time ago, or maybe not so long ago, and today we have removed forests from large areas. So, when forests are removed on large areas, it is called deforestation. So, where is the problem? We needed land, we have cut trees, but it is a problem. Deforestation has had lot of side effects, bad effects. Let us just go through what are the bad effects of deforestation. Plants, they take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen, and as a result the balance between carbon dioxide and oxygen is maintained. So, first problem that has happened is imbalance of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Oxygen has reduced, carbon dioxide has increased. So, what happens when carbon dioxide increases? Carbon dioxide can trap heat. Whatever heat of the sun comes into the earth, that heat is reflected back. But if carbon dioxide is more than 0.03%, then the heat is trapped, just like in glass houses. What is a glass house? A glass house is when it is made up of glass and plants are kept in it to maintain a certain kind of temperature. So, the earth becomes like a glass house and there is increase in temperature. This increase in temperature is called global warming. Global warming is the result, that is the increase in temperature, and this effect is called greenhouse effect. Due to global warming and greenhouse effect, that not only the temperature is rising, the glaciers are melting, the sea level is increasing, land is further being encroached. So, by cutting trees, we have reached this condition. Another thing about trees is that because transpiration is taking place, there is constantly evaporation is going on, and that contributes into water cycle. And it is the water cycle which is responsible for bringing rain. Now, what has happened due to deforestation? The amount of water vapors in the atmosphere are reduced, because less trees means less transpiration. As a result, water cycle got disturbed and the rainfall decreased. This can even lead to droughts. It has led to droughts. Decreased rainfall. Disturbance of water cycle. Leading to droughts. The problem does not end here. The roots of the trees bind the soil. So, they help in conserving the soil, because when trees are not there, then due to the action of wind and water, the top layer of the soil gets removed. This removal of topsoil is called soil erosion. Because the wind and the water, they are at a great speed, and as a result the top layer gets removed. But when trees are there, first of all the running water slows down. Summer water is also seeps down. So, ground level water increases, and that also of course contributes into water cycle. And then as a result, because the speed has got reduced, the soil erosion is also less. Now, when there are no trees, then there is soil erosion, and as a result the fertile land changes into deserts. This is called desertification. So, you can see, we all know there are large number of uses of trees and the forests, and they are of course also the habitat of wild animals. So, when deforestation takes place, the wild animals also lose their habitat. So, what should we do? Shall we stop cutting trees? We can't afford to. But of course, we can have a judicious use. We can do every action carefully and judiciously, and then our forests will remain, and along with that will remain our wildlife. So, what I am going to discuss today is conservation of wildlife, that is plants and animals.